Hello everyone, I'm Chris. Welcome to our factory. Our factory mainly do CNC precision machine, including hardware and accessories, with high precision, automation, and accurate shape machine. We can all meet customer requirements. We have advanced production equipment and professional technician. If you're interested in our products, please contact us.